What is going on, guys? Man, I am telling you, nighttime fishing is where it's at. So if you live where it's like 95 plus in the middle of the day, you should try it. This is a warning. It is kind of sketchy. It can be kind of weird and intense, but it's a great time. And it's when those big girls truly come out and they're ready to mingle. So in this video, I go out with my brother and chase them on top water baits and big swim baits submerged right below the surface. So without waiting, let's jump straight into this video. I hope you guys dig it. Y'all, Kevin already on the boards. First cast, man. That top water bite is going down tonight.
Barely hit the water.
Oh, that's nasty, man. First catch, let's go. All right, guys, top water over everything. Got the Gambler, got the Trickler Frog, and the Whopper Plopper. Let's make something happen. Brian, aka Made and Dade, you would be proud of the kid. All right, guys, docks usually hold fish. It's nighttime, things are cooling down, so it should be the chance for a good fish over here. Got the Whopper Plopper tied on right now. Let's see what we can make happen. Missed it. You heard me? Missed it. The fish missed it. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah. Dang. Got off, guys. I felt the pressure. I want that big blow up, man. It's like a slap almost, man. Pow, pow. Damn nasty in my face. If you have a lamp on, headlamp, it's even worse. Oh, yeah. That's a good fish. That's what I was talking about. It's in that mat. See it pulling the mat? Dang. All
right, hold on. I'm trying to get your rod.
You got it?
Yeah.
I can't even see the fish. Oh, okay, that's a real good fish. Well, nah, that's a solid fish, no less.
Yeah.
Nighttime fishing 101, straight out the grass. That's what you call a salad. That Whopper Plopper is no joke. Smashed it. Let me see where it's at. Just so y'all can see that. Look at that. That is the 130 Whopper Plopper. Solid fish. First good one to start the night. Me and Kevin both got one. Let's go. Go ahead, man. Oh shit. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. This is a big fish, Kevin. This is a bigger fish by far. Good fish, guys. Dug into the grass.
Oh, man.
5-pounder.
That sucks.
Lost a 5-pounder, guys. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. 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 I felt the grass. I think it created slight when it hit the grass.
Mm-hmm.
He hit the grass with his mouth, and it pushed the hook back.
Yeah.
Now what I should have did was just powered it in. People say, hey man, play a fish. Play a fish. Not when it's grass. Cause that was a good fish, man.
It looked like I thought when it came out the water.
Keep casting. Get one better. Right? Huh? What is it? Vicious. Oh, got him. I just felt the load up on that one. Yeah. I think so. All right, on this catch, I was reeling that fish in pretty fast and aggressive. Good fish. The reason why was because with that grass approaching, that bass can just bury itself down. So my goal was to power that fish in. And with this beast hook, it's actually inside the bass mouth. So that helps versus the whopper plopper, but on the outside. So let's get back to that catch. God, I probably hooked it.
Good fish.
Swallowed it. Another one in the books. The Gambler 6.5 on that beast 10-ounce hook produced another monster giant bass. Let's see how much it weighs. And let's show you guys this. Like, it swallowed that hook. Look at those marble eyes. Google eyes. Scale turned on. I'm gonna say 5.5. Wow, that must be a skinny fish. All right, guys, 4.5 pounds on the Gambler 6.5 Big Easy.
I wouldn't have guessed that.
Long fish.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's get this girl released. Oh. I went down in the water with her. Success. On the boards, Kevin got another one.
Yeah,
Number 2. Got him on the Trekler fall. Let's go. Quick release. Got another one, guys. 10-ounce hook, beast hook, Gambler Big Easy. I don't know what this thing was thinking, but hey, I'll take it. We out here still ripping lips in the nighttime. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. This is a couple things about nighttime fishing. First off, do yourself a huge favor, get a headlamp. Those things come in clutch, especially when you're walking around your spot, it's dark, and you can actually see what's around you. You don't want to walk up on a water moccasin. That is not the goal with nighttime fishing. You want to get bit, but not in that way. Now, once you start fishing, I suggest to turn it off. Some people are different. That's up to you. Secondly, I throw top water at nighttime. A lot of times fish bite it, and you have an odds to get a very big fish at nighttime because some of those bass that's high pressure during the day actually bite more at nighttime. So usually dark baits work well, and also top water. So hopefully that helps you guys out with your nighttime fishing adventures, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Tight lines. It's funny, you think walking around with a fishing pole would be weird, but I guess it's quite normal. Everybody talks to you.